How to make shorts on YouTube. So to make shorts, all you have to do is open up your YouTube app, and then on the bottom you will have 5 options. You can tap on plus icon, which is a create option, and after that here you will have 4 options. So you can tap on create a short to create a short video, and here you will have a bunch of options. You can either flip or you can adjust the speed, and after that you can set a timer while preparing your video, and then you will have effects, and you can also use green screen or retouch, and you will also have a more option. So after like making your video on the upper corner you will have add sound, and you can also add your sounds from here. And after adding all of that, you can tap on the tick icon, which is on the bottom right corner, and after that you can add a sound from here also, and you can also add filters, and after that you can tap on next, which is on the upper right corner, and from here you can caption your short. So after captioning you will have the visibility option. You can adjust it to public, unlisted or private, and then you will have location. You can also add your location, and then you can select the audience, and after that you can tap on upload short, and now your short has been uploaded. So that's it guys, that's how you upload a short on YouTube, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.